How to sign out or log out of Zangi application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Whether you are switching devices, troubleshooting an issue, or simply taking a break, signing out of your Zangi application is a straightforward process. So follow the steps below to log out safely from your account. The first thing you want to do is to open the Zangi application, of course, and make sure you are inside the main home page or the chat page. From here, go to the bottom right menu and tap on the settings icon. Once you're inside the settings tab, click on the profile icon at the top of the screen, and on the next page, you will see a sign out button at the bottom. Tap on it and you have these two options available where it says keep history or delete history. If you want to keep or delete your history, then you can go ahead and choose it from this menu, and you have successfully logged out of your Zangi account. Signing out of Zangi only takes a few moments, and it can be useful for account management, security, or device changes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.